Alright, that's alright guys and girls. So we've got 1/8,000 of a second on here of the moon. Gonna have to dub down the iris down a little bit. Just try and get 9 decibels, dBs. There we go. I mean, that looks quite nice. Right, so this is from 1 times to that little dot to 28 times a zoom. It does get a bit blurry. I think it's because of the light, and I've got it on autofocus as well, but when you get it too close at 250th times, actually let's put it to 1500. Yeah, that's 1500. That's about 1500 times the zoom. So we're just testing the nighttime sort of thing on it. Right, so I think it's like the 9th or 10th of March today or something. Might be the 8th at the time of the video. I will put it in the description now. There we go. That's nice. Just saw a bird go across by the looks of it. Zoom in and zoom out. That's pretty cool. All in 4K, but unfortunately the camera can only do a decent 25 times zoom. But anyway guys and girls, cheers for watching and stay safe all.